This position looks as if it was made for Alekhine. Alekhine is white here. He's attacking with all his pieces, and the black king is in the center on e7. And here he used a typical attacking means. He played b4, and this is very typical for Alekhine. This move b2, b4. We see in this database, we see I think 3 or 4 examples for b4. And the main idea we see in the game, black plays queen takes here. After rook to b4, the black rook is deflected from the point d3, and a very strong move, for example, for white would be to play queen e3 here, which is controls many dark squares, and yeah, black is in dire straits here. Okay, queen takes b4. This is what black did, and yes, now you are to play like Alekhine again. b4. What was his idea? Threaten mate. Queen to e5. This is Alekhine's point. He has this b4 is deflected the black queen from defending the point e5, and so now the white queen has occupied a very powerful position. Point 1 is, of course, that now black cannot take on d3 because of check on f6, king d7, and knight f8. Checkmate. This knight on h7 is actually quite a funny attacking piece. Yeah, this is queen e5, you found that, and one question remains: what does white play after knight to d7? And we shall look at that soon. Queen takes b4, queen e5, centralization at its best. But the question, of course, now is what does white play after knight to d7? Knight to d7 attacks this queen on e5, and also it controls some dark squares like f6 and f8. How would you play after queen to d7 now? After all, also this bishop d3 is hanging. So what to do now with white? Queen to h8, and this is what, for me at least, makes this combination so special. White played b4 to deflect the black queen from the central square e5. So queen takes b4, then came queen to e5, and after knight to d7, white decentralizes his queen from e5 and goes to the corner square g8. And yes, the point is that now, after rook takes d3, white checkmates with f6, king d8, and now the queen sacrifices herself. Queen takes e8, king takes e8, rook to c8, checkmate. So queen h8 crowns the white attack, and white wins.